everyone, I'm Kyra. I've flown down all the way from Canada, Toronto, to be a part of the show because I'm a split spaglu. I'm a dental hygienist by profession. I've also done biotech, so I was a lab technologist. तो जब आप सब आराम कर रहे थे कोविड में, मैं काम कर रही थी. तो दिमाग तो है, but हसीना भी तो हूँ. One word to describe me would be less, but short में बोल दूँ तो मैं अपनी favorite हूँ. The reason why I'm here. Glitz, glamour, entertainment, entertainment and entertainment.
Hi everyone, मैं हूँ आपकी इंसाइडर सिमरन बहल और मेरे साथ है अभी Kyra. Hi Kyra, you look really pretty today.
So do you.
Thank you so much. So we would like to know more about you. Who actually Kyra is. So we have few questions for you. आपको मुझे जल्दी उन सब के आंसर्स देने हैं.
Got it.
तो पहले तो मैं ये जानना चाहूँगी कि what is the compliment जो आपको सबसे ज़्यादा मिलता है लोगों से?
That I'm very bubbly, very cheerful, and I think they also tell me that I'm very raw and I have a pure soul.
Okay. And what is that something that boys notice about you the first?
Come on, let's not go there.
Okay.
But no, I think my smile.
She's
That
a
was just a
dentist
spicy.
I got it. I hope you also got it. How do you make someone fall in love for you?
I think to impress someone to fall in love with me, then that's not love. That's vyapar, right? now.
Okay, yeah, right. अच्छा मुझे एक मिनट में बताओ कि क्यों तुम वर्दी हो इस शो के लिए?
Because I think once the camera starts rolling, everybody's acting, and I think I'll stand out because जो भी मुझे जानते हैं, मैं ऐसी ही हूँ. This is also my bio of my Instagram. I think I'll be the most real and authentic myself. So
मैं अपनी फेवरेट हूँ.
yes, और मैं ऐसी ही हूँ.
इस शो में आप प्यार ढूंढने आए हो?
प्यार मुश्किल है. क्योंकि I'm very picky because I know what I can bring to the table. But of course, if I find a genuine connection, why not? I mean, I would love to have a man right next to me.
So as you said, you're very picky.
Very picky.
So what are the things या qualities that attract you?
Someone who's chivalrous. I think men have stopped being chivalrous. They want to be equal. And the minute a man says, let's split the bill, I think that's a red flag for me. I don't have any problem in paying, but वो एक first थोड़ा, it tells me a lot about the person.
The first impression.
100%.
So in love life, people do have some cute or unusual say quirks. What is yours?
I think I want someone who's okay with my childlike Kyra as well. So if the person's comfortable with that Kyra, then he's won the real Kyra.
What kind of a relationship you're looking for?
A mature one. So someone who can handle my immaturity.
तो कोई
I cannot deal
ऐसा
with a brat.
रिलेशनशिप रहा हो या कोई ऐसा एक्स का स्टोरी है जो आज भी आपको हॉन्ट करता है? You don't want to remember it ever.
I wouldn't. ऐसा कोई haunt तो कोई नहीं कर सकता. मैं ही करती होंगी उनको. But there was this one guy who kind of got attracted to me because of what I do. Like I dance, dentistry में हूँ. So he was like, oh, she can do it all. And then eventually when we were together, he kind of like, started controlling कि आप ये मत करो, वो मत करो. So that is a red flag for me.
तो अगर आपका वो एक्स विला में आ जाता है तो आपका रिएक्शन क्या रहेगा?
नहीं आ पाएगा. कहाँ अपनी प्लेन की टिकट भर पाएगा?
ये तो यहीं से उसको भगा देगी कैमरा से. तू देख रहा है तू मत हिया. अच्छा मुझे ये बताओ, you have been into relationships, right?
Yes.
So what's your love language?
Cooking for me.
Cooking for you.
Cooking for me.
That's your love language.
language. No, I think I can also cooking for them, and them they should be cooking for me. Food is my love language.
Okay, so how far can you go for love or in love?
I've traveled countries for my loved one, so I think that's good enough, na?
I feel like that's good enough. Have people gone too far for you in love? कुछ ऐसा हुआ हो कि कोई लड़का पीछे ही पड़ गया हो या फिर प्यार में इतना पागल हो गया हो आपके?
Yeah, I've not been that lucky. Not yet. Maybe.
Not yet.
I'll be.
There are
Who knows?
chances you can be here. अच्छा मुझे ये बताओ कि कोई टॉक्सिक ट्रेट है रिलेशनशिप में जो नहीं चाहिए?
Controlling. I
Okay.
think that's very, very toxic. One should let the other person be and not start dictating.
Are you controlling? So you have that toxic trait, right?
I'm very dominating, but
You're dominating.
that's my nature and I cannot change it. Sorry.
But as you said, you are real.
Yeah.
पर कुछ तो ऐसा होगा कि किसी को नहीं पता होगा तुम्हारे बारे में.
No, I'm a open kitab like that.
Something tell for the audience also. We would love to know about
Oh,
experience.
yeah, I think a lot of people think I'm an extrovert, but sometimes I also like I feel shy. But वो लोगों को समझ ही नहीं आता. दिखती मैं वेरोनिका हूँ, but मैं हूँ मीरा. और मीरा दिखती ही नहीं है किसी को. सबको लगता है ये तो आई है चंट चलाक, but I think I'm the opposite.
With the opposite. So have you made any plan or strategy for the show?
No.
No?
That's exactly what I don't want to do because then it'll look scripted ना.
It would.
अगर मैंने इतनी अपनी जिंदगी की प्लानिंग प्लॉटिंग कर ली होती तो क्या पता मैं प्राइम मिनिस्टर होती.
अच्छा what is your go to flirting line? मतलब कोई लड़का आ गया समझ लो he is the guy that you're looking for. क्या रहेगी go to flirting line उसके लिए?
मैं फ्लर्ट नहीं करूंगी, सीधा मूव्स दिखाऊंगी.
वहीं से वो ऐसा हो जाएगा ताकि नाइस यार इट वाज फन. बट मैं ये भी जानना चाहूंगी कि अगर तुम्हें किसी ने डंप कर दिया इग्नोर कर दिया तो तुम्हें ज्यादा बुरा किस में लगेगा, बीइंग डंप्ड और बीइंग इग्नोर्ड?
वैसे तो कोई करना नहीं चाहिए. Pookie. But if that happens, I think dump karna. I'll feel bad.
You'll feel bad.
Yeah, 100. I think every girl might feel that. कि dump कैसे होगी? Rejection ना?
Yeah.
That is huge.
और अगर तुम्हारे कनेक्शन पे कोई और लड़की आके हिट कर दे तो?
ले जा बहन ये तेरा है. Because I'm not here to be a second option. I'm always the first. If you like me, you take it or leave it.
So that means that you are finding a real love. आप इस शो
100%.
के लिए कोई फेक कनेक्शन नहीं
नहीं
बनाओगे?
बनाऊंगी. ये मेरा दावा है आपसे.
आगे जाने के लिए भी नहीं शो में?
नहीं. कोई पसंद आएगा तो आगे जाऊंगी वरना जितना मिलेगा उतने में खुश हूँ.
That's nice. Yeah? I guess we know a lot about you now. So we'll move forward. We have a game for you. So check it and chuck it. It's a rapid fire game. मैं आपसे कुछ questions पूछूंगी. आपको मुझे उस पर बताना है कि it's a check it for you और chuck it for you with a reason why.
Got it.
Got it? Should we start?
Let's start.
Okay. So imagine it's your boyfriend, ठीक है? All the questions are around your boyfriend.
Okay.
So it's what if your boyfriend always checks your phone?
Chuck it. You know why? Because I wouldn't do that to someone. It's invasion of privacy. Trust me, it is. Even if it's your partner.
Shares your toothbrush?
Ew, no. बिल्कुल नहीं. Bacteria, no way.
डेंटिस्ट से गलत सवाल पूछ लिया मैंने. Sorry यार, मैं भी नहीं करूँगी आपसे. What if he flirts with other girls when drunk? Come on.
I don't drink. I don't smoke. And I would like someone who doesn't. But if they do, they should know how to control it.
What if he's friends with his ex?
That's okay. I think I'm also friends with a lot of.
So what is it? Check it?
Check.
Check it. Prom?
But only friends, हाँ? ज़्यादा नहीं.
वरना धोप दोएगी ये तेरे को भी.
वरना धुपतेगी.
अच्छा, prompts in uploading story, but it's slow when it's about to reply you or text पे.
Green or red flag. Confused.
Green flag. Hi, green flags.
Chuck it. 100% chuck it. I
Okay.
should be the priority. No.
What if he insists on sharing passwords?
Like what passwords?
Your OTT platform passwords, social media के passwords.
Check. That's fine. I mean, if you, a lot of people in my life, they know my passwords, so I'm okay with that.
Okay, wants to know your live location.
Come on now. Chuck it. मार दूंगी. ये क्या है? जबरदस्ती है.
इसके बाद वाला तो मैं थोड़ा बहुत खतरनाक चाह रही हूँ. Is a mama's boy.
You're not a man, bro. Get a life. Come on.
PDA lover.
Like public display of affection? No. I think chuck it.
Why?
I'm not that person.
You don't
कुछ
like it?
चीजें
Says I love you too soon.
love bombing ना? बिल्कुल नहीं. Chuck it.
Dirty talks with you when you are in a serious situation.
Chuck it, dirty talks, chuck it.
मुझे तो बस ये समझ नहीं आ रहा है चेक इट किया भी है अभी तक क्या?
किया है क्या?
I doubt.
I told you I'm picky.
Yes, she is. Is a struggler who makes ends meet.
Listen, I've had this. Chuck it.
So guys, it's a very picky thing. You are check it पे आना बहुत मुश्किल हो रहा है अभी. Something you want to say to the boys?
Like the contestants?
Yeah.
Game खेलने आ रहे हो तो be clear. If you're looking for something genuine, be clear. मेरे साथ games मत खेलो because फिर मैं अपने पे आ गई. कैसे बोलते हैं? गीली हो जाएगी. है ना?
क्या गीली हो जाएगी?
I don't know. I'm not good with Hindi, yeah. So जितना मुझे समझ आया है ना?
क्या
That's how when
pant-
you scare someone, ना?
पैंट गीली हो
हाँ,
जाएगी.
पैंट गीली हो जाएगी.
Okay, now they get it. उनकी पैंट गीली करने आए हैं.
नहीं. That sounds wrong.
Okay, it was really fun playing this game with you. Now we have another round जिसमें I'm going to give you some props के नाम. You need to tell me one prop जो आपकी personality से match करता है.
Got it.
Okay? So the props are handcuffs, blindfold, feather tickler, mirror,
Mirror.
heels,
Mirror.
playing
mirror on the wall.
और भी है भी. Handle, candle, hunter, lollipop.
Wait, why is it so nasty? It's.
Lollipop,
I'm telling. एक second. मैं mirror बोल रही हूँ मुझे अपने आप को देखना है बस.
banana.
नहीं, no, stop it, no. I'm done. No, mirror, we stop right there.
Okay. Dun-dun-dun. मैं अभी magician बन चुकी हूँ guys. Why mirror?
Mirror because, like I said, be real. If you're not, I'll show you the mirror.
Okay. So by showing the mirror, I would like to ask you, जितनी भी लड़कियाँ हैं विला में, उनको क्या मैसेज देना चाहोगी?
I think girls, enough of girl drama. The world has seen it all. Let's show them sisterhood. I mean, I think आओ बहन चुगली करे is the best. Rather than you bitch, you that. Come on, we've seen that all. Show them something different.
Bro code बहुत हो गया, बहन code दिखाना, right?
Come on, it's not that hard. I
Right,
mean,
it's
सुंदर लड़कियाँ coexist कर सकती है. Come on.
I am loving this girl now. She's my favorite इस line के बाद में. लेकिन what is the message you would love to give to your fans?
Do I have any in India?
Yes, you would have after the show.
I think मैं जैसी हूँ वैसी दिखूंगी. तो आप सब बस इस गीत को प्यार करते रहना और मैं आपको मेरे डांस से भी और प्यार दिखाऊंगी.
Thank you so much. This was really fun with you.
Same here.
I hope it goes good for you. All the best. Let's say bye and give a flying kiss.